In today's presentation, we'll be talking about the features and benefits of the next-gen Contemporary Collection sliding patio door. When we started the initial planning for this door, we had some key themes we wanted to keep in mind. We wanted to completely rethink how a sliding door should work, how it slides, how it seals out the elements, how it can enhance the view to the outside world. During the development, we identified the deficiencies and limitations that most traditional sliding doors have, and then we developed a solution to address them. Make it slide effortlessly. Improve the resistance to wind and rain. Make it extremely secure. Give it design flexibility to expand the limits of a traditional sliding door. Introducing WeatherShield's next-gen Contemporary Collection sliding patio door. Let's take a closer look at what makes this door different than other traditional sliding patio doors. Ease of operation is the most noticeable feature of the door. Most traditional sliding doors use some type of brush pile seals to stop air and water. These seals are in continuous contact with the door when it's sliding. This contact creates friction or drag on the door panel, making it more difficult to operate. The next-gen door is unique that when the panels are sliding, they are not in contact with the weather seals. The end result is a easier to operate and much quieter door system. So what makes this door slide so well? It all starts with some truly innovative hardware. By throwing a single lever, the active door panel shifts to the inside of the home perpendicular to the wall. This shift releases the perimeter sealing gaskets, allowing the door to slide with very little friction. When the door is in a lock position, the panel is drawn in to create an exceptionally tight seal with multiple lock points on both styles. So what kind of rollers are used to move the door panel so easily? This door is unique in that it has rollers in both the sill and the head. At the sill, there are 3 sets of precision-bearing tandem rollers. These are designed to carry much heavier door panels, allowing us to produce larger sizes. At the head, the 3 sets of guide rollers are used to keep the panel secure to the frame. Making a better performing door was a major goal in the development of this door. With the next-gen door, we were able to reach our goal by having industry-leading performance. How does this door do it? It all came down to sealing and the active panels not letting in water and air. Brush pile weather seals continue to be the standard for most traditional sliding doors. These seals have limitations for holding back water and air. The next-gen door uses a TPE rubber gasket that is continuous around the active panel. When compressed, this gasket creates an impermeable seal that holds out the harshest elements. This detail shows the location of the seal in yellow. As you can see, it's only around the opening of the door, keeping the rest of the frame free from unsightly weather strips. This gasket is made from a TPE rubber material. It's long-lasting, exceptional weather resistant, stays flexible even in cold temperatures, and it has excellent compression. The tight seal on the door has an additional benefit, which is sound control. It keeps out unwanted noises. This illustration shows how the gasket seals are engaged by the operation of the handle set. The illustration on the left shows the handle in the down position, and the active panel is shifted to the exterior, compressing the perimeter sealing gasket, creating a tight seal. On the right, the handle is rotated 180 degrees, so the lever is facing up. This shifts the panel to the interior, freeing the panel from contact with the sealing gasket. Another great feature of this door is its low-profile sill. Since most of the door's performance is achieved through the weather seal system we just talked about, the sill can be lower than most. Traditional sliding doors rely on taller sills to control water from coming into the home. These taller sills can often be a trip hazard for most people. The next-gen door sill is 1.25 inches tall, and it's made from thermally superior fiberglass pultrusion. The sill has an interior drainage system that diverts any incidental water. Let's take a closer look at the features of the sill. There's a channel in the interior that can be used to secure the sill to the floor. This will come in handy with doors of long spans. The channel has a cover that will conceal the fasteners. There is an internal weep system to channel any incidental water away from the interior of the home. A unique one-way valve allows water to escape without letting water in. It's important during installation not to cover up these valves. When looking at the features of this door, you can't overlook how secure the door is with its advanced locking system. Traditional sliding doors typically only have lock points where the active panel meets the jamb. The locks themselves are usually a hook-style latch, or sometimes an upgraded 3-point is used. Next-gen door is an advanced locking system that incorporates contact points on all 4 sides of the active panel. More lock points than any other sliding door on the market for the highest level of security. Closer look at the hardware system shows how the hardware encompasses the entire active panel. A uniform closing movement with positive control through locking points on all 4 sides. So a typical 6068 door has 4 lock points on the jamb and 3 on the meeting style. As we go larger, there's more points of contact. Head and sill rollers act as a locking point as well, holding the rails tight to the frame. The image in the middle shows how the lock plunger on the door locks into the keeper. One of the criteria for the development of the door was to give our customers ultimate design flexibility, and the next-gen door certainly delivers on that. Most traditional sliding doors top out at a 4080 panel. Next-gen door panels are available up to 5010, allowing rough openings to reach widths of 20 foot. All next-gen doors are 2¼ thick with a narrow face width of 3¼ Door configurations are available in 1-panel, 2-panel, and 4-panel configurations, with plans for a continuous sill 3-panel to come out shortly. A unique direct set option allows for larger view without the look of a fixed panel. Here's a look at the current configurations that are available: a fixed, 2-panel, picture slider, and 4-panel biparting. This shows the visual difference between a panel set, which is at the top, and a direct set version, which is across the bottom. The direct set gives you a real clean, contemporary look. This is a look at the section details for a typical 2-panel door. By the way, all these section details can be found in the technical documents section of the Weather Shield website. This detail shows the direct set version. You can see how the narrow sight lanes are with this configuration. We have 2 different interior hardware styles for this door: the Dallas style, which matches the other contemporary hardware offerings we have, and the new look, the Atlanta handle. The exterior handle is a simple low profile pull. Finishes are available in satin nickel, rustic bronze, and matte black. With all the features and benefits of the next-gen sliding patio door, we thought it'd be good to include a quick reference chart comparing the next-gen door to a traditional sliding patio door. Here's a look at the reference chart here. On the left, we have the sliding door, traditional sliding door. On the right, the next-gen options. Thank you for learning more about Weather Shield's next-gen contemporary sliding patio door.